And the air in the national capital continues to be unbreathable for another day. Delhi is under a dense blanket of pollution, with several pockets slipping into the severe category despite intermittent strong winds. Schools, hospitals and commuters are all feeling the impact as pollution levels swing between dangerous and deadly. As Delhi woke up today, a thick layer of smog hung low over the skyline, reducing visibility, irritating eyes and filling the air with a sharp, smoky smell. And according to the Central Pollution Control Board, the city recorded an average AQI of 359, that is firmly in the very poor category. But in several pockets, the air was far worse. Areas like Bawana, Rohini, Jahangirpuri, DTU, Narela and Wazirpur all recorded AQI values above 400. Categorized as severe, meaning the air is hazardous even for healthy individuals. Meteorologists say that while strong winds over the last 24 hours have helped disperse some pollutants, they have not been sustained enough to clear the haze. The temperature dip and early morning calm winds have created inversion layers, which is trapping pollutants close to the ground. And experts note that pollutants from vehicle emissions, industrial activity, construction dust, and sometimes double burning from Punjab and Haryana, they all combine to create the toxic cocktail choking Delhi and NCR. Now, the pollution levels are fluctuating, but the general trend is not encouraging. However, data from early November do suggest that pollution this month initially dipped slightly compared to the previous year, but that dip vanished as winter set in. According to the early November analysis, pollution levels had shown a slight decline thanks to better wind patterns and fewer stubble burning incidents in the first week. But as the month progressed, fire counts rose and construction did ramp up, and cold and stagnant air did return, all pushing the AQI back upward. Environmental analysts warned that the dip was short-lived, not a signal of long-term improvement, and they say that Delhi should brace itself for more severe spells as the winter deepens. Doctors at city hospitals have reported 20 to 25% rise in patients with respiratory distress over the last 4 days. The health impact is clearly severe, and the authorities have responded by activating Stage 3 of the Graded Response Action Plan. Schools have been asked to minimize outdoor activities, and health departments have issued public advisories for children, elderly citizens, and people with asthma or heart disease. Experts say Delhi's pollution problem is no longer just a seasonal inconvenience, it is a public health crisis.